Hello traders, in this video I will recap this week's events, current events in financial markets, and all that you need to pay attention to next. So here we go, this is critical event. This is crucial. This is a stunning reminder. If you choose to short green zone, especially pay attention to key target. How viciously market reversed at European Open is a flawless reminder. If you understand institutional buy point, know where to buy, know where to exit your short. So this is a crucial key chart. It's in front of you right now. This is a chart present in front of you without any software this week. This is a chart that's showing you where buying started from in European session. So if you understand the power of this, you understand very clearly. Institutions been buying the market from this level, and you knew this far in advance. If I'm converting this chart to 5, to 10, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, this is the ultimate buy point. You are not speculating, you are not gambling with your money. You understand where to buy the market from. That's it. That's the power of the system that allows you to capture the bottom. But it also reminds you, do not ever forget about power of reversal zone. That's it. This morning market overextended. This market no longer at institutional buy point. It's drastically higher. Testing retail brick wall. This is strategic, intelligent chess. Powerful pullback is crucial. If price collapsing all the way down, intelligent trader is excited. But if price remains stuck in this junk, nothing here to do. So again, this morning we're dealing with retail and institutional buy point. But retail and institutional buy point came to retail brick wall. So when the price is giving you short alert and you understand we're stuck at institutional buy point, this would cause a major problem to the downside. Major problem. Strategic, intelligent move. You understand why this is a problem. So if you decide to short so close to institutions viciously buying the market, do not be surprised where pullback coming from. That's it. There is nothing else. Junky, bearish pullback only. Precise entry, precise stop, precise target in front of you every day. In the trading room, you're witnessing software in the live market. Trades on multiple other charts. I'm projecting software on 2-minute chart, 3-minute, 5-minute, any chart I will choose. Key moment. So intelligent trader also knows after this level, this is next. Converting this chart to 1. We discussed all of this with students pre-market. Again, with a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows why this is causing such a major problem. And again, you knew all of this pre-market. Crucial, critical. Very clear counter trend move. Retail only. Retail pullback during institutional buying. Extremely limited target to the downside. There is nothing else. This is the only option. Ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess. With the power of the system, you stop speculating, you stop gambling, you stop trading with random stop, you stop trading with random targets. You understand the power of trading markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. Ultimate precision in front of you, each and every day, on all instruments. So when you start trading markets with ultimate precision, all the stress goes away. Speculation is done. Each and every day I prove to you that market is flawless, Alpha Fibonacci chess. So when you start trading strategically and you understand that price moves one step at a time, all the pain goes away. Key moment. Again, as we discussed with students pre-market, collapse to this level is perfect. Perfect. If price is stuck here, it's a little too high. So again, we discussed all of this with students pre-markets. You were extremely well prepared. You knew quite well this is not the place to buy. It's a clear counter trend move. Ideally, we'd like the price to be here, but as you're witnessing price moving one step at a time. So this is a crucial key level that intelligent trader knows to exit most of position off. If you are trading single double lot size, you are completely out. Key moment. Key target now. Only if you trade multiple lot sizes, you're trading outside of this level, with each level at a time. Price always moves one step at a time. No speculation here. Ultimate precision only. So this is a perfect morning for intelligent trader who understands the power of this. This is where trading will become exciting for the remainder of the day. So if you know where to exit your short, you're in excellent shape because again, spectacular buying can start and resume as we are at institutional buy point. There is no crawl, price skyrocketing reminding you. Do not ever gamble with your targets. Know where to exit your short. That's it. Flawless and simple. Institutions viciously buy market at this level. This is a crucial key 2 days. Speculators who shorting markets with random targets in serious trouble. This was counter trend retail short at institutional buy point. There is nothing else. This is the only option this morning. So when you start trading with ultimate precision with Alpha Fibonacci rules, the skies are the limit. Let's review other instruments from this week. So this is catastrophic event for US when Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates joining 21 other countries against US, joining BRICS. This is catastrophic pro-Russian event where this leading to 90% of oil sales no longer being settled in US. Welcome to the new world order. And now you see why I left Dubai and moved back to US. That's it. Having any denial about this current world situation reminds you, be aware of the world's event and trade only with stop you can afford. So when the bullish move is so weak, no one is surprised. Again, stunning ultimate precision during extreme market conditions. When you understand how important this is, you are no longer in denial of the world's events. So this is critical key chart that has absolutely no software on it. We discussed with students we need to move down as low as possible. If market's selling off today and tomorrow, we will have institutional crush. This is crucial key 2 days that will define markets for months to come. So when the catastrophic events playing out in the world and world becoming more and more anti-American, this is a reminder on US dollar, it keeps skyrocketing, it's not selling off. From identical level, you see S&P is testing this morning. US dollar, my projections will head higher and higher, but where US dollar sold off is no surprise. Ultimate precision on this chart that shows you all of this identified far in advance. December I traveled to Canada when US dollar 40% higher. Canadian dollar 40% less. Sales of real estate banned to Americans, banned to those who using US dollar. Euro. World event reminding you this is identical level as you saw on S&P, where S&P institutional chart selling off. That's it. Retail brick wall reached. Buyers are weak. And we knew this before it happened. So if price collapsing to drastically lower level, it's a beautiful news. That's it. So if I keep bringing to your attention other instruments, such as Apple, identical level is reached as on S&P, as I've been warning you for months. It's been quiet before the storm. Are you ready for Apple crash? Are you still trading on spectacular earnings? Identical level as on S&P to the tick on any chart. So when you learn Alpha Fibonacci rules and you cannot pass psychological test and technical execution as a day trader, use system long term. And of course, always and forever be aware of the world event. All of this far in advance, never after the fact. So when you use your limitless brain, you understand. FOMC was extremely dangerous event. Buyers kept defending this level, but failed. Absolutely failed. Confirming where market been selling off from. Again, if I'm taking you back to the start of the week, to August 14th, this is your ultimate sell point as on Bitcoin, on S&P this week. This morning we're in drastically different place. With love for the price to crash to here. This was the top. And you knew it quite far in advance where market would crash from. You short the top. And that's stunning, flawless puzzle. So please, I highly encourage you to be aware of the world's event. That's not a good news for US. It's not. So if market selling off next few days, not a good news. We're setting up for institutional massive crash. We need to see institutional buying. Spectacular. We're not seeing it if price is not breaking through this level. No software on this chart. Software is here. To the tick, short, keep struggling at this level. That's it. So when you use your limitless brain, the skies are the limit with ultimate Alpha Fibonacci precision. So here we go, critical key level. As again, we've been asking for this level since early morning. We need to see institutional vertical rally for the remainder of today and tomorrow that will define markets for months to come. If buying continues weak, it's a very big concern. Institutional rally today and tomorrow is what we need. And it all starts from 1 minute chart. So you can always join us in the trading room where you can see the power of the system and software and the live markets. View the movie Ken made about Fibonacci Trading Institute, our incredible student in London. And understand this is institutional proprietary system I developed in 2008, traded globally on all instruments. No software required. You can trade MT4, MT5. You can trade Ninja Trader 8 with multi-market scanner, group or private mentoring class, video library included. You do not have to come to classes. Most of our students working full-time or in different parts of the world. So when you view students' performance, you understand no other website has this. If these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do is identify. Do you want to trade options? Do you want to trade futures? Do you want to trade Forex? Do you want to trade crypto? Do you want to trade ETFs, mutual funds? All charts, all time frames traded all over the world. You can also listen to students' podcasts. You can also view students' reviews. Choose the option appropriate for you. I love coaching traders and private mentoring. I have only one space available. Savings $8,000. Includes group course private mentoring, video library modules. Group course savings $5,000. Option 1 and 3 does not include software for NinjaTrader 8. Option 1 and 3 for all platforms. Both lifetime license. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. It's a quiet before the storm. Prepare well. Trade as strategic, intelligent, Alpha Fibonacci trader. And the sky's the limit. In all market conditions, on all platforms, all instruments.